Better than new and truly move-in ready, this beautifully upgraded Madison model was built just 3 years ago and offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and 2,020 square feet of well-designed single-story living in desirable Northwest Cape Coral. The open concept floor plan features durable tile throughout the main living areas and upgraded carpet in the bedrooms. The spacious kitchen overlooks the living and dining areas and serves as the heart of the home, showcasing stainless steel appliances including an LG French door refrigerator, ample cabinetry, a large pantry, generous quartz counter space, backsplash, and a farmhouse sink. All bathrooms feature custom tiled shower walls and stylish upgraded light fixtures with cabinets. The private primary suite includes a spacious bedroom, walk-in closet, and ensuite bath with dual sinks and a glass-enclosed walk-in shower. 3 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, a home office, or a separate ensuite, with 2 full bathrooms offering added convenience. Additional features and upgrades include epoxy-coated garage floors, insulated garage doors, extra attic insulation, extended pavers in the driveway, lanai and along one side of the home, as well as an under-truss screen lanai with privacy shades. The home also offers a wireless Eufy security camera system, screened front entry, automated irrigation system, upgraded Floratam sod, professionally landscaped with trees, shrubs and curbing, gutters around the entire home, and a vinyl privacy fence, ideal for kids or pets. A 7x10 superior shed provides additional storage. Interior conveniences include a top-of-the-line whole home reverse osmosis system, an indoor laundry room with Samsung front-load washer and dryer, remote-controlled ceiling fans in all bedrooms and on the lanai, and a remote-controlled air conditioner system unit with additional ceiling lighting in the garage. Enjoy year-round Florida living in an oasis backyard space perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Conveniently located in a growing neighborhood with easy access to shopping, dining, schools, and major roadways. And best of all, this property is not in a flood zone, so flood insurance is optional. This is a rare opportunity to own a thoughtfully upgraded home. Schedule your private showing today.